going on, guys? We are back with another video. Today, we're pulling some more Bloxburg, and I have been literally cleaning as a janitor for like 20 minutes straight. Literally. 1:43, I think I started like on like 1:35, so 15, 12, 13, 10 minutes, I don't know, like around that time. But yeah, I have $155. I'm a broke little boy who lives in a cracker box. And we are we're about to cash out, and we're gonna see how much money I've made. I've got promoted twice already. I've been working for this job like a while ago, but I don't know. We'll clean this up, and then that shall be it. We're gonna clean that little. Shoot, I hate when I press sit, first person, jump, and that should be good. Okay, we're gonna clean this hello, and then we're gonna clean that little thingy and that, and then we're gonna be done and see how much we make. Cause literally, it's insane. It's literally insane how much you make as being a janitor. Like, if you clean for like 5 minutes, that's like $200 right there. That's enough to pay rent. I just paid rent and I have no money now. But, hey, you gotta pay those bills. Halloween is right around the corner, so that's why there's all the decorations around here. Crap. Ah! Keep pressing sit. Holy crap. Yeah. Alright. A habit. Clean the soda up. And then I'll get that thing. If I sit one more time, I'm cashing out. Bro, clean the thing. You don't even touch it. Okay, whatever. Wow. Teleported. Alright, so I don't know if a broom will really do much. Like, I didn't notice that pumpkin up there. Alright, we're gonna clean this and that up. That, Bloxburg side. Wow, I did not. Bro, you clean on air? Bro, SpongeBob. Okay, yeah, now I'm getting a little tired. Come on, please let's be the last piece of garbage over there. I mean, it's pretty much endless, but yeah, we're about to walk out. Alright, so after this, we're out. We out! Oh, now I have to do that one. It's like OCD's kicking in. Like, I gotta clean everything up that I can see. Oh my god, there's more. This is it. More over there. You joke. Okay, you know, I can make some money. I can earn some money, guys. Chill. I gotta pay just a lot of stuff over here. Sorry, it's my soda. I finished the oil. Okay, there's 2 more pieces of this one, and then that one, and I am done. My goodness. I better be getting a ton of money for this. I've been working for literally 3 days straight. Like, literally, what time? It's Wednesday. I think I heard Sunday. Here we go. Okay, last one. For reals. For real this time. Alright. How much should we be making? I think we check the X out. 3, 2, 1. $1,714. Holy crap. This is why I love this job. Literally, it pays so well. So, we're gonna head on home. Yeah, look at that. That's like a freaking. I had $199. I had like $89, and I just gained a lot. Oh man. Whew. That is impressive right there. Worth it. It's so worth it. Like, literally. I'm not gonna buy some stuff at Pumpkin Shop. We outie, boys. Whew, I feel good about that, guys. It's 2 in the morning, but yeah, it's a late night, guys. We're starting to feel down. Let's see, what's my... Holy crap, I have like no fun or hunger. I'm gonna make some food. I think I'm going the wrong way. But yeah, this is my neighborhood. My house, like, right here, right? Home sweet home. You need time will tell. Did I leave my door open? I did not. You remember who taught you well, ocean, right? And poise for trying to keep the lights off, because I don't want to have a high bill. So, I'm going to shower really quick. No. Okay. Almost at a hundo. You'll be back. I will tell. You'll remember who has taught you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. I'm gonna go into build mode really quick just to get into bed. I added an extra bed just because I had some people staying over. Anything else that's unnecessary? This. Anything else that's out here that I don't need? Yeah, this was unnecessary. This is back for Christmas time. I don't need that. That's a little too much pumpkins. I'll just get rid of the small ones. I can get a lot of money from this, but I just keep them because I like it. How much was the TV? $630? Bro, I can sell that, dude, and get $3,000. $3,000. That together is $940. That's insane. Okay, I think we're done in build mode. How much money did we just get? Holy crap. I can get rid of all this crap, but dang. That's nice. Oh, that was off. Sun's rising. I need to take a nap. Nah, dude. Oh, your eyes shut when you sleep too. Right, I'm doing a social experiment right now. So I'm gonna start typing in chat after the sun rises and everyone's, out doing their day, their normal stuff. Okay, lights are out, sun is rising. You can see right there, it is 6:14 in the morning. And yeah, so we're doing good, guys. I don't spend a lot of money on this game. This house was all literally just this. Literally, someone remodeled from my basic house, the house that you get when you start, the starting house, and literally took all that and made this place. It is much better. I like it better. Bigger, more room. What's my energy at? I love it. Yeah. I'll take some ingredients. Make some. Actually, wait, no. This isn't, no. I gotta eat some breakfast. Breakfast. Let's see. Bacon and eggs, yeah. How do okay, fry. Oh, R. Whew. S. A. Bum. I like the new cooking update where you actually cook. Back then you just took food and set it down and it was already made. So this is much better. R. Alright, look at that. Easy meal. Sit, place bacon and eggs, eat, take portion, and eat as we watch our hunger. Wow, okay, we need to eat some more. Have some more. Eat, interact, take portion. That'll be good. Alright, now I'm gonna go wash my dishes. Wash dishes. Alright. Finish washing dishes. Alright, what is that light? Oh, it's Halloween. It's pouring. I mean, it's not that heavy rain right now. Holy mother of Halloween. I might get some Halloween decorations, you know? I'm gonna get some Halloween. I got plenty of money, you know. Let's get some Halloween decorations going, you know? Alright. Let's just see what we need. Okay, we got pumpkins. Alright, let's just get into build mode. Decorate. New. We got all this stuff. That's all wrong. Holy. Where can this go? Where could this... And then we're gonna get... Guys, I'm wasting money, but I already know I can work hard to get more, so... Come at me, guys. Holy, that's too much. I want to do the one that's like enraging out of the ground. And I'll do one of these. Where's it at? And then we'll get a... And we'll get some more lights going. Move chat away. Okay, so that we can press cancel all we want. Put some on this side, you know. Alright, and that should do it. Alright, now I'm gonna have to go work my butt off again. Hold on. Let's see if I can find it.